Hi and welcome back. Today's recipe is one of my favorite recipes from my childhood. These mini yeast buns with vanilla sauce are delicious meal or dessert. It's a perfect combination of the sweet vanilla sauce with these buns that are similar to sweet dinner rolls, but they are more crunchy on the outside and fluffy on the inside. And that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up if you did. Follow me on Instagram. Subscribe on this page if you haven't subscribed yet, and I'll see you next time.